Welcome to Operations Management 2. This section is going to be talking about McGraw-Hill Connect. Our textbook is a McGraw-Hill Connect textbook. It's Operations Management, and I'm going to pull it down for you. Operations Management, 12th edition. This book is actually used for Operations Management 1 and 2, so it's one book for both classes. And we're doing that so that it's a little bit more affordable. I know if this is the only class that you needed that book for, it's not that affordable, but there's a few other things that you can do, so reach out to me if you need some help with that. But with that, you also get McGraw-Hill Connect login information. So let me just review a little bit information about McGraw-Hill Connect. There's a folder under course materials called Connect Student Quick Tips. I want you to go through and look at that. This talks about what McGraw-Hill Connect is, why we're using it. There is some quick tips via Blackboard. And then it talks about needing your Connect access code, okay? So in order to actually get into Connect, what you'll be doing is you will be going into your first learning plan. So lesson plan 1. So after you review the Connect tips, if you want to get into Connect to log in, there is not a website for you to go to. You actually go into your Blackboard, and when you see the little icon for Connect, which is this Learn Smart icon, you would go ahead and click into that, and it will actually open up McGraw-Hill Connect for you. Okay, so you're not going to see the screen that pops up right now because I'm already logged in, but it will have your login information, and that's how you would create your login to actually access your first learning plan and material. So you will need that McGraw-Hill Connect login to be able to do that. Now, if you took Operations Management 1, you will use the same login as you had for Operations Management 1. That login is good for a number of classes, so I think it's good for like 395 days or something like that. So make sure that you use them both within that time, but it should let you use that same code that you had for your first class. Okay? So when you do this, it's actually going to continue to give you questions until you get them right. You should be able to get full points for this as you go through the questions. You can use your book, so please do use your book and submit your answers right to McGraw-Hill Connect. We really have very few issues with McGraw-Hill Connect. For those of you who used maybe Cengage MindTap in the past and had trouble, it's a different type of software, and it works well with our Blackboard version, so you'll find that you won't have as many issues with that. There is one assignment for Connect in every chapter except for the risk management chapter and the change management chapter, and then there's just regular Blackboard questions. Okay, the other questions that you'll see in here and things, there's a PowerPoint, there's some narrated slides, there's a video attached in here, so there's a number of different things for you to look at. And then, as I said in the past video, there is a market assignment in this first one. So what is a market assessment? What information do you need? You're probably not going to find this in your textbook. You're going to have to go outside your textbook. You can also use the simulation materials to help you with this as well. And then this is the discussion for lesson plan 1, and it's the case study that's in the textbook. And you can work through that and post that in the discussion board. So that's the homework for week 1, which is due February 2nd. If you have any questions, please let me know. And just as a highlight, your discussion boards, I really want those posted by Friday, at least your initial one, so that you have the weekend to respond to everybody who posted on Friday, and you can see other students' discussion boards. So make sure to get out there and get on top of that and not wait until the last minute. Okay? If you need anything else, please feel free to holler.